Hello everyone, this is Magda from MVApp team, and today I'm going to show you how to perform data curation. So for this we need to of course upload the data. You don't have to have sample ID or time gradient. Just check if your data has been uploaded correctly, and then we can go into upload of the data curation. So you can select either raw data or the R-square curated data if you have done any of the fitting of the curves as described in a different tutorial. So for this time I'm just going to use the raw data, and in here selecting which independent variables I would like to use for grouping of my samples. I would like to select the outliers based on all phenotypes, but if you would like to select one phenotype that you would like to use as a dominant trait for highlighting the outliers, you can do that. But for this, I'm just going to go with all phenotypes and interquartile range as my selection of the outliers. You can also choose any of the other ones that are in here. What I would like to do with the outliers is I would like to remove the samples that are characterized as an outlier entirely from the dataset. So I unleash it, and after a few seconds you can see in here that the report of the outliers is appearing in here. So right now we select that I would like to remove the samples that are characterized as an outlier in at least 2 traits. I have to click that again. And right now we see that there are 46 samples that are qualified as outliers. Which samples are those? So in here, in this table below that you can download, you can see whether a trait is characterized as a non-outlier or as an outlier. And then all the way at the end, in here, add outliers, we added in how many traits is the sample qualified as an outlier. So in here you can see that those samples are qualified in outlier in more than 2 traits. Alright, so now I would like to have a look at how my data is looking with and without outliers. So for that I'm going here, and this arrow will appear unless you select your traits in here. So for now I selected perimeter. I can of course change that, and in here I see a graph, how my graph is looking for all of my different samples with outliers and without. So I can click between those 2 graphs, and under this graph I've got a table containing the data points that are qualified as outliers, and in this I've got a data table that is clean of outliers. I can of course reduce the number of the samples that are being displayed. I can color code them, and that's changing for both of the graphs. Of course, both of the graphs can be downloaded as the PDF in here, and the tables can be downloaded as CSV files. I think that's it. Thank you for watching and have fun using MVApp. Bye bye.